We have learned that C says K, but sometimes C says its soft sound. Hemos aprendido que la letra C dice K, pero algunas veces C dice su sonido suave. We say in class, soft C, circle the city. S. C says its soft sound. It says S, like S, when it comes before an E or an I or sometimes a Y as well. La letra C dice su sonido suave cuando viene antes de un I, un I, o un Y. Let's take a look at some words. Vamos a mirar algunas palabras with soft C, con el sonido suave de C. Cent, como en centavo. Cent. Dance. Exercise. Symbol.